So the direction or path in which light travels is called as ray of light, and it is denoted as, so with a line on the arrow mark, and this arrow mark, it is going to indicate in which direction it is going to move. So which direction it is taking place, in that direction you will put the arrow mark. Arrow mark ఎటు పెడతాము, ఏ డైరెక్షన్ లో అయితే లైట్ ట్రావెల్ చేస్తుందంటామో ఆ డైరెక్షన్ లో arrow mark పెడతాం. So next let us discuss about the beam of light rays. So we are saying that light, it is going to travel in the form of a straight line. So this is called as rectilinear propagation of light. So this straight line we are going to indicate that, and it is called as ray of light, the path of the light which it is going to take place that in particular direction, it is called as ray of light. So this actually the light, it is not a single ray. The light, it is not a single ray. A bundle of rays coming together, we call it as a beam of light rays. So light rays, a beam of light rays can be defined as bundle of light rays. A light ray can't be a single. So it is a bundle of light rays which we call it as beam of light rays. So this, if you observe from the sun, a different beam of light rays are going to come here. So here we have different types of light rays. So first one is parallel beam of light rays, and second one is converging beam of light rays, and third one is diverging beam of light rays. So first one is parallel beam of light rays, and second one is converging beam of light rays and diverging beam of light rays. So parallel itself says that when light rays are parallel to each other, if they are not coinciding, then we call it as parallel beam of light rays. So next let us discuss about the parallel beam of light rays. So this parallel beam of light rays indicates when the light rays are going to travel parallel to each other. So if you observe here, those are going to travel parallel to each other, says that it is parallel beam of light rays. So to understand the situation of this parallel beam of light rays, what we need to do is, here is a simple activity. So take a cardboard and the wooden plank. Now to this cardboard, make small holes, and make this cardboard which you have made small holes perpendicular to the wooden plank. That means if you keep the wooden plank like this, place the cardboard like this, that is perpendicular to the wooden plank. Now take this arrangement or the apparatus and keep it in the mid sunlight. So when you keep that in the mid sunlight, the rays which are coming from the sun, they are going to pass through the cardboard and they will be falling onto the wooden plank. So when you see the light rays, how they will be is, they are going to be parallel to each other. So indicating that it is a parallel beam of light rays. So here children, to understand the parallel beam of light rays, simple activity చేద్దాం. యాక్టివిటీలో మనకి కార్డ్బోర్డు అలాగే వుడెన్ ప్లాంక్ కావాలి. సో కార్డ్బోర్డ్కి చిన్న చిన్న హోల్స్ పెట్టండి. ఇలా చిన్న హోల్స్ పెట్టినప్పుడు కార్డ్బోర్డ్ని వుడెన్ ప్లాంక్కి పర్పెండిక్యులర్గా పెట్టండి, అంటే 90 degreesలో పెట్టండి. ఈ అపారటస్ అంతా తీసుకెళ్ళి మిట్ట మధ్యాహ్నం ఎండలో పెడితే ఆ సన్లైట్ నుంచి వచ్చే రేస్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవి కార్డ్బోర్డ్లో నుంచి హోల్స్, ఆ స్లిట్స్ చేసాం కదా, ఆ స్లిట్స్ నుంచి పాస్ అయ్యి ఆ రేస్ అనేవి వుడెన్ ప్లాంక్ మీద పడతాయి. ఆ వుడెన్ ప్లాంక్ మీద పడిన రేస్ని మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే అవన్నీ కూడా ప్యారలల్గా మూవ్ అవుతుంటాయి, ఎక్కడా కూడా టచ్ అవ్వవు, కోయిన్సైడ్ అవ్వవు. So they are going to move parallel to each other, indicating that it is a parallel beam of light rays. Next we have a converging beam of light rays. What is this converging? Converging says that all the light rays, they are going to come from different sources and meet at a point. So we call this as the converging. So converging ante ela untundante, so like this it will be. So all the different sources, they'll be coming from different places and they are going to meet at a point. So it is called as converging beam of light rays. So to find out the converging beam of light rays, so in the previous experiment what we do is place an acrylic mirror. So you have done the arrangement already in the previous experiment na? So in the same experiment what you do is place the acrylic mirror. So when you place the acrylic mirror, the light rays which are going to fall onto from the cardboard to the wooden plank, and they are going to bounce back, and when they bounce back, they are going to meet at a point. So this we call it as converging beam of light rays. And next we have diverging beam of light rays. Diverging. From one source they are going to move like this. Then we say that it is diverging beam of light rays. Suppose if you are going to say that this is the source and from this they are going to come like this. So this is diverging beam of light rays. Converging and diverging like this. Okay. So in the previous case, how you have taken the arrangement, the same way you take the arrangement and place an acrylic mirror in this position now. So previously you have kept like this. Now what you do is place in this position. So like this you place. When you place like that, the sun rays which are going to come from the cardboard falling onto the wooden plank and falling onto this acrylic mirror, and they bounce back. So when they bounce back, so they are going to move like this. So like this, if you observe the rays which are falling and they are bouncing back. So indicating that it is a diverging beam of light rays.